Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Binance have continued to show more support. Binance have continued to dominate. Now 53% of Terra Classic coin today is being traded on Binance. Binance are not giving up. Binance are fully ready. Binance are really supporting Terra Classic coin to really pump. Remember, the goal is to hit 1 penny, 1 cent. Now today, Terra Classic have continued to increase. Remember, this year Terra Classic have started the year with an impressive increase in price and market cap. Now today, about $222,894,430 at the time of recording this is being traded as Terra Classic volume, and Binance alone are controlling about $118.4 million of that volume. Binance have really showed they are really supporting this coin. And when we talk about Kucoin and other crypto exchanges, of course, they have been showing great support. One important thing to understand is Terra Classic will continue to increase even more. Remember, Bitcoin is about to hit $21,000 after so many months of trading between $15,000 and $16,000. Now, so many coins have continued to increase, even though they are one of few coins that are still trading on red and bearish. For Terra Classic today, they have really increased in terms of market cap and also in terms of price change. I'm happy to see Terra Classic coin keep pumping. I'm happy to see Binance keep supporting Terra Classic. I'm happy that even the community have been tweeting about Terra Classic coin recently, and everyone believes that this coin can actually hit 1 penny before the end of the year. I believe, yes, 1 cent is possible very soon, because there have been great support not just from Binance, and also some big whales. Some big whales have been coming in and be buying Terra Classic coins in millions, and I'm happy to see this coin market cap trade over $1 billion. At the time of recording this, about a $1.060 billion market cap. Well, I believe that this year we'll be seeing so many changes, so many surprises will be coming on this year. And let's hope that this year will definitely become a bullish year, not just for Terra Classic, but also for cryptocurrency in general. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.